25 Amazing Keto Meal Prep Recipes. What is a keto diet? A keto, or ketogenic, diet is a strict low-carb high-fat way of eating with a protein restriction. Usually, it means eating about 60 to 80% fat, 10 to 30% protein and under 10% carbohydrates. The goal of a keto diet could be weight loss, health benefits, or it could be increased mental and physical performance. Keto meal prep recipes can also be simple, healthy, and affordable, just like our other meal prep recipes. Below you'll find 25 amazing keto meal prep recipes to help you get started on a keto lifestyle or to give you new inspiration if you're already doing it. We have included recipes for every meal, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, plus a few snacks to keep you on track. All of the recipes are meal prep friendly, leaving you with no excuses as to why you can't stay on track with your ketogenic diet goals. And for those of you who aren't following a keto diet, give these recipes a try anyway. Pair them with your favorite rice alternatives for an incredibly delicious and healthy meal. 25 keto meal prep recipes you will want to make ASAP. Breakfast recipes. TBH, meal prepping breakfast has always been tough for me, Nick. Finding a recipe that's easy to make, holds well, and fits my macros can really be a struggle. So, when we were looking for simple keto meals to start the day, the number of options that were available was really surprising. Our go-to is typically turmeric eggs, sausage, and an apple, but with the simple keto meals below, we've been able to brand out into some great new flavors. Which of these keto breakfast ideas would you choose? Nutty keto pancakes. Nutty keto pancake meal prep. Bacon wrapped asparagus breakfast bowl. Keto bacon wrapped asparagus breakfast bowls. Keto sausage and egg breakfast sandwich. Keto breakfast sandwich. Greek egg bake. Turmeric scrambled eggs and sausage. High protein sausage and egg breakfast. Keto breakfast ideas. 3-ingredient cauliflower hash browns. Blueberry pancake bites. Keto everything bagels. The complete pros and cons of a keto diet. In the midst of all these diet and meal plans today, the ketogenic diet may have come to your attention. After all, there are thousands of people who follow it and claim the many health benefits, including weight loss. With this extremely low-carb diet and effective results, you may have wanted to try it out and see for yourself. But before you do that, there are some things you'll need to know, namely the good and bad things it can do for your body. Yes, the diet can do so much more than simply burn fat. Read more here. Breakfast pizza. Keto lunch recipes. Who needs sandwiches when you've got bacon chips? Considering the high-fat, low-carb keto diet is based on meat, eggs, cheese, and plant-based fats, nuts, avocado, it's easy to pack flavorful and filling keto-friendly lunches. Don't sleep on these bacon-wrapped sausage meatballs, fam. You will thank us later. Keto bacon sausage meatballs. Keto bacon sausage meatballs. Keto meal prep recipes. Keto pinwheels. Cheeseburger lettuce wraps. Keto cheeseburger lettuce wraps. Sesame salmon with baby bok choy and mushrooms. Related article. 18 easy keto snack recipes. Bacon, chicken and tomato stuffed avocado. Chicken stuffed avocado recipe. Keto lunch ideas. Keto chicken enchilada bowl. Keto meal prep recipes. Lunch avocado tuna salad. Keto dinner recipes. Keto dinner ideas are plentiful when you make a quick search on the internet. We wrote this keto meals post as a resource for you to stay up to date on some of the best keto meal prep recipes out there. Even if you aren't making these recipes for the week ahead, these keto dinners will keep you asking for more once you've dusted the sheet pan full of salmon and veggies. We only have one of the keto dinner recipes listed below, but our keto pizza chicken meal preps have been on the menu at least twice a month ever since we wrote the recipe. Check out our pizza chicken recipes here. Sheet pan fajitas. 1-pan steak fajitas with peppers. Keto meal prep recipes. Spicy mustard thyme chicken and coconut Brussels sprouts. Spicy mustard thyme chicken and coconut roasted Brussels sprouts. Fathead pizza. Pizza chicken meal prep. Skillet shrimp with tomato and avocado. Skillet shrimp with tomato and avocado recipe. Keto sausage grill packet meal prep. Keto dinner recipes. Sausage grill packet meal prep. Keto lasagna. 1-pan lemon chicken and asparagus. Keto snack recipes. Snacks and desserts are the easiest to overdo. When thinking about keto snacks and desserts, you will really want to keep portion control in mind. These are typically very dense and calorie heavy, which isn't a bad thing necessarily, and it's easy to take in a lot, in a relatively short time frame. When you're prepping your keto meals, do you ever think about prepping keto snacks or keto desserts? Cheesy bacon stuffed mini peppers, easy keto almond joy cookies. Keto almond joy cookies. Keto avocado brownies.